this video I'll be showing you how to partition hard disk in a very short time on an easy way without use of software. Just press the start button, go to computer, right click on it, then manage. There it to load, it's loading. Then go to disk management, click on it. Then here there are the partitions. You can still partition them, or if your hard disk isn't partitioned, this is the easiest way you can do it. And so I want to partition this D, local disk D. So you right click on it, then you shrink volume, querying volume for available shrink space. Have to wait for it. Wait until it finishes loading. Well, it's still loading. Something I'll tell you, this is the easiest way and the simplest way you do. There are other ways of partitioning hard disk. You can use command prompt, or even use of a software, and even you can partition a hard disk when you're installing operating system. So there we go, it's appeared. Total size after shrink, so you'll get 19 GB. This is in MBs, so you can decide to reduce it to, let's say, when you need 5 GB, you just reduce it. In my case, just shrink. Wait, it's loading. It's a healthy partition. So that you will specify the size according to your local disk and the free space available. So you must be very careful. So this is the another partition, 65.27 GB unallocated. So this is the other partition obtained. So you right click on it, new simple volume, next, simple volume size 66,839, click next. Then you assign the following driver letter. You may just let that letter be, or you change. So click next, format this volume with the following. Use NTFS. Do not format this volume, just choose any choice. You may decide to format or to proceed without formatting it. So in my case, I'll format it. Next, then click finish. The operation selected will convert the disk into the dynamic disk. If you convert this to dynamic, not be able to start install the operating system. So now, new simple volume. Next, don't format. Next, still that problem. So what you do here is just have already done it, you've completed it. There's I here, row. So let's close it. You need to format the disk I before you can use it. Format disk I 62. There's all the data. Just proceed. Format complete. So it will be viewed as just an external storage. So you can open it. There's disk I. Thus you've done it. you have many ways of doing these things. So but you must be careful with the discrete handling, because you may lose your data in this process. So we have done it. So this is now the new partition. So you may copy files.folder, sorry, that disk, or you can even rename it. Just type, just rename, give it any name you like. You've done it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more updates. If you have questions, just comment, ask questions, then you get a quick response. Thanks for watching.